this script. So everything is going to write under nohub.out file. Okay, so these two these two parameters is useful. Um, useful. Why? Because if you are not going to give this one, so it will gonna write here, and this console is, I mean, you will not get this prompt. If you are going to give as Control Z, so that process is going to kill. That's why if you want to run in a background side, you just use and symbol. If you don't want to write everything on here, so that time you need to give as nohub, so that output file is going to redirect it to nohub.out file. Okay, so anyway, in my manage server or my remote machine, which is on 128, so I created, I started node manager. Let me go and create from the admin server. Let me try to create manage server from the admin console. So let's see how it is going to work. So first click on servers. So under servers you need to create your manage server. So I already created on this environment. Let me remove everything and I will show you again. Okay, first you are going to create any managed server. So first time you need to even let me delete this. I will show you. So first, while you are going to create any managed server, you need to create machine also. So the main purpose of creating machine is so first I will create managed server. Let me explain you clearly. First I am going to create managed server. You can give whatever name you want, and this name is unique on your entire your entire domain. So I am going to give my IP address here. Even if you don't provide anything, no problem. Just for reference, you just give this IP address, and here I'm providing a port number. So this also should be unique on this remote machine. Okay, and you just click as next. Right now we are not going to create any cluster. So once you just click as finish. But if you are not going to create any machine, your server will not start. Let me show you. So you just created managed server using IP and port. So let me show you. It may not start. Okay. It will ask you. So see here. It will ask does not have a machine associated with it. So that means you need to create machine. Why? Because so my node manager is going to run on my machine component. So for communicating between my admin server and any of the remote machine, this communication is happened through node manager. And this node manager properties we are going to configure under machine. Okay. So I'm just going to create machine here. So let me create machine here. So just click as new, and here you can give machine name whatever you want, or you can give IP address also. That is not a problem. Right now I am putting just as other, no issues with this. And here you need to provide IP address. So this is very important. It is going to communicate using this IP address, and this port also unique. This port also unique. Obviously these are default by your node manager. So obviously this port may not be available. Okay. So for each machine or for each remote server, we have only one manage, one node manager. So anyway, so this port is unique and this IP address is, you need to provide your remote machine IP address. And here there is a couple of different types of communication, something like SSH, RSH, plain and SSL. So I'm just going to use as plain. I don't have any SSL certificate right now, so I'm just using plain. SSH, RSH also you can use whatever you want, but for plain is simple communication. So let me show you. I'm just clicking as finish. Okay, now we just activate this change. Now you can go and lock and edit and click on server, and here you need to add your machine. So here you need to add your machine name and just click as save. Okay, just activate your changes. So now go under servers, click on controls, just try to start your manage server. Let's see what the issue. The node manager associated with machine 128 is not reachable. So let me check on my remote machine. First you need to block your firewalls. Okay, so I'm trying to block my firewalls here. So so now this is a learning session, that's why I'm just stopping IP tables from here. But in real time scenario, you've got firewall engineers, you can ask them, they will gonna block specific ports, whatever ports you are going to use, something like 5556 and 7001. Okay, now you can drive. Yeah, now you are able to start your server. Okay, so this is the way you can create your managed server on any of the remote machine, not only a single machine. This is the installation is for horizontal cluster. Even like this you can create horizontal clustering also. On next session I will explain you how to create different different managed servers of remote machine and how to create a horizontal clustering and vertical clustering. I will explain you on next session. Thank you guys. So once it will come to running state, I will show you the paths where it is going to where it is going to locate and how it is going to create managed servers on my remote machine. So meantime I will just show you the folders it is going to create on my remote machine. Okay, so this is my remote machine. So let me go and show you to Oracle middleware. Under here you have a user projects. Under domains you have one domain. Under one domain you need to check under servers. So here you will get your managed server 1, MS1. We created MS1 right now. So all the all the server related files is going to store here. Something like security, which is related to your booter properties file. So that information also your admin, your console is going to update using your node manager. Using your node managers. So everything is going to update. So see, my server came to running state. And one more thing, on your remote machine you can check logs. So here you will get ms1.out. You can tail or you can view your logs, whatever you want. So this is your managed server. This is your server related log on remote. On remote machine. So you can check the server logs from this path. Okay, under domain 1 servers, ms1 is your managed server right now we created. Under logs, your log is going to generate. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment out. Thank you.